Fatima was on the phone with a very important client when her phone accidentally fell down and broke. The thought of taking it for repairs, however, just wore her out. What if she gets stuck in traffic, or finds the shop closed, or it doesn't deliver on time? What if the repairs done are too shabby, or using non-genuine parts? So she decides to approach her friend Miriam, who tells her about Axiom Care, a one-stop shop for all mobile repairs. They'll pick the phone from Fatima's address and deliver it back once it's repaired. They come with 20 years of expertise and certified professionals using original parts for repairs. Excited? Fatima immediately rushes to book a service on axiomcare.com. And just like that, she saved all the unnecessary hassles and enjoyed a reliable service. So do you have a phone that's been troubling you lately? Just get in touch with us today at axiomcare.com. and we will help you restore your precious device to its former glory.